Ever seen a star that can't make up its mind about its color? These cosmic party animals flash and pulse like nature's own disco balls. Some stars are just built different. They're the rebels of the night sky, and they're putting on a show. Let's talk about how these cosmic disco balls come to life. Imagine a star about 40 times bigger than our sun, going through what I like to call its teenage rebellion phase. These massive stars burn through their fuel like a teenager raids the fridge, fast and chaotic. As they burn helium in their core, they get super unstable, puffing up and shrinking back down. This cosmic dance makes them shine brighter and dimmer, changing colors from red to blue and back again. It's like they're trying out different Instagram filters, but on a cosmic scale. The whole process is actually pretty dramatic. These stars are literally pushing their boundaries, testing their limits, and figuring out who they want to be in the universe. Here's where things get really wild. These stars are basically cosmic mood rings. When the star puffs up, it cools down and glows red, like a giant celestial campfire. But when it shrinks, it heats up and turns blue-white, blazing like a cosmic blowtorch. This color-changing act happens because of something called the temperature-color relationship. The hotter something gets, the bluer it appears. Weird, right? It's the opposite of what you'd expect. These stellar disco balls can switch colors in just a few days or weeks. Some of them are so predictable you could set your watch to them, while others are total drama queens, changing their brightness and color whenever they feel like it. Let's crack open the cosmic cookbook. These stellar disco balls need 3 key ingredients to get their groove on. First up, you need a massive star. We're talking about a cosmic heavyweight that's at least 40 times bigger than our sun. Next, you need the right mix of elements, lots of helium and heavier elements like carbon and oxygen hanging out in the star's core. Finally, you need some seriously unstable conditions in the star's atmosphere. When these 3 ingredients come together, boom! The star starts pulsating like it's at a cosmic rave. The helium in the core acts like a thermostat gone haywire, making the star's outer layers bounce in and out like a giant space trampoline. It's basically a cosmic pressure cooker that can't decide if it wants to explode or implode. Let me break down why some stars are total show-offs while others just sit there. It's like comparing a hyperactive kid who's had too much sugar to their sleepy friend during nap time. Regular stars like our sun have their act together. They've found their groove and stick to it. But variable stars? They're the drama queens of space. The key difference is mass and age. These flashy stars are usually supermassive and in a specific life stage where they're running low on helium fuel. Think of it like a car running on fumes. It starts sputtering and acting weird. Their massive size means stronger gravity, which creates more pressure and heat in their cores. This makes them way more unstable than their chilled-out cousins, leading to all those awesome light shows we get to watch from Earth. Here's the coolest part about these cosmic mood rings. They're actually showing us exactly how hot they are by their colors. When the star's surface hits about 40,000 degrees Fahrenheit, it glows bright blue. That's 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. Then as it cools down to a mere 6,000 degrees, still hot enough to vaporize anything on Earth, it shifts to a deep red. The star's atmosphere expands and contracts like it's breathing, which triggers these temperature swings. It's like watching a giant space thermometer that changes color instead of showing numbers. These temperature changes happen in a pattern that astronomers can track. Some stars change every few days, while others take months to complete their color-changing dance. Want to see these cosmic disco dancers yourself? Grab your telescope because I'm about to show you where to find the best light shows in the night sky. There's Betelgeuse in Orion. You can't miss this red giant putting on its stellar dance. Then there's Algol, nicknamed the Demon Star, because ancient astronomers thought its winking looked evil. Dramatic much. My personal favorite is Mira in Cetus. This star goes from bright enough to spot with your naked eye to completely invisible over 11 months. It's like a cosmic game of hide and seek. If you're in the southern hemisphere, check out Eta Carinae. It's the drama queen of the southern skies, famous for its massive temper tantrums. Here's the thing about our cosmic party animals. They're living fast and dying young. These massive color-changing stars are burning through their fuel like there's no tomorrow, and spoiler alert, for them, there really isn't much of a tomorrow. When they run out of fuel, they don't just fizzle out with a whimper, they go out with the biggest bang in the universe. We're talking about a supernova explosion so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy. These stellar disco balls end their dance in a final light show that sprays their star stuff across space, seeding the cosmos with heavy elements. It's both beautiful and terrifying, like nature's most extreme fireworks display. Here's a hilarious piece of astronomy history. When scientists first spotted these color-changing stars, they thought their telescopes were malfunctioning. Back in the 1800s, astronomers were doing their usual stargazing routine when they noticed something weird, stars that kept changing brightness. They'd clean their lenses, tap their equipment, and scratch their heads in confusion. One astronomer even wrote in his journal that he was either going mad or witnessing the impossible. It took years of observations and multiple astronomers comparing notes to realize that nope, their equipment wasn't broken. These stars were actually putting on a cosmic light show. It's like discovering your neighbor's house isn't haunted. They're just having a really long party with a killer light system. These flashy stars aren't just cosmic show-offs, they're neighborhood troublemakers. As they pulse and change colors, they blast waves of stellar material into space like cosmic leaf blowers. Any planets unlucky enough to orbit these drama queens get blasted with intense radiation and stellar winds. But here's the cool part. This cosmic chaos actually helps create new stars. The material they throw out enriches the surrounding space with heavy elements, becoming the building blocks for the next generation of stars and planets. It's like they're cosmic gardeners, planting the seeds for future solar systems while putting on the greatest light show in the universe. Ready for some breaking news from space? Astronomers have spotted several stars that might throw epic light shows in our lifetime. Take VY Canis Majoris. This massive star is getting super unstable, and scientists think it might start flashing new colors within the next decade. We're also keeping our eyes on Eta Carinae, which could kick off an amazing color-changing performance any year now. But the real showstopper? A star called KIC 983227. It's actually two stars spiraling closer together, and when they finally merge, boom! We'll see a brand new cosmic disco ball light up our night sky. It's like waiting for the ultimate space fireworks show, and we've got front row seats. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the universe's most epic light show. If you enjoyed learning about these cosmic party animals, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share with your stargazing friends. See you in the next stellar adventure.